All right, now, white belt, triangle. Let me show you something here, whether you're a black belt or white belt. It's kind of easy and nice. So you have the collar control, and you're gonna fake the sweep. Stomp and turn, stomp and turn. Your knee now goes on the shoulder. You're gonna pull and stiff that leg, then you're gonna wrap that leg around. That's called the frame, all right? Basically here on the frame. Don't worry so much about the arm. Grab that head, climb your leg as high as possible. Then you bump when you're higher, get here. Now here I'm gonna be nice to Mike, okay? Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna stretch your legs, okay? You crunch a little bit, stretch the legs and pull the hip up. Oh, right there. That's all it takes. Here, kind of squeeze like that. I didn't want to tap in that way. And just one little thing here, if the guy is hard to get, just push, lock the leg a little higher and the other one over, across. I cross my feet. Put your weight forward, sir. He cannot go anywhere. And I do now the fingertip tap. Fingertip, boop, that's a tap right there. Now go train.